Hi there, and welcome to this introduction to Forex. Thank you very much for signing up to receive this information, and we're going to be going over some of the basic beginner information that you need to know to get started in Forex, because it is, face it, it's a way to make a whole lot of money, but it can seem a little bit overwhelming for a beginner. So I'm going to break it down to you and show you what it is. Forex itself involves trading currency. Specifically, we're trading foreign currencies. And the way that it works is, how inflation works, right? Some things, I'm not going to get into all the factors, but some things determine our own inflation, how much our dollar is worth. For example, here in the U.S., we have the dollar. Different currencies, different countries, they have different currencies, and the same thing happens with them. Their currency value changes. Well, what trading on the Forex is where one currency becomes more valuable in relation to another currency. So here in the U.S., I can buy a certain amount, for $1 US, I can buy a certain percentage of a euro, for example. If my dollar comes up, then I can buy more of a euro. And if my dollar goes down, I can buy less of a euro. So what we do with Forex is we buy low and sell high. As an example, if I buy the euro while its value is low, and then I hold on to it until that value goes up, and then I sell that euro back in exchange for a dollar, a US dollar, I will realize a gain. It will be more valuable. Let me give you an illustration. Let's say that I'm going to fly over to Europe for a couple months, okay? So I need some cash, right? What I'm going to do is I might go at the airport. A lot of times the bigger ones, they have exchange booths there. And I might take, maybe $1,000 US dollars with me, right? And exchange those for a certain amount of euros. And it's not going to be anywhere close to this, but, let's just guess. We're going to estimate to make the math easy, okay? We're going to say that with my 1,000 US dollars, I can get 750 euros. So while I'm over there, I end up not spending a whole bunch of money, and as a matter of fact, I keep most of it. Let's just say, for the sake of explanation here, I keep all of it. So I keep my 750 euros, and I find out that over there, my card works fine. I use my card, and I don't need the cash. So when I come back to the U.S., though, I'm not going to use those euros anymore. So I go back to the exchange booth, and I've got 750 euros. But while I was gone, the price of the dollar actually went down. So when I give her the 750 euros, she's going to give me $1,100. Whoa, I just made $100. That's the way that it works. That's exactly what you do. In day trading, we actually do that. We could do several trades like that in one given day. So not just over, a 2-month period. We might do several trades a day, and we might trade several times a week. The Forex market is ginormous. $3 trillion are traded every single day on the Forex market. That's more than other stocks combined. That's how big Forex is. It's traded 24 hours a day around the world. That's the nice thing about this, is it doesn't really matter so much what time zone you're in. If you want to get involved in Forex, you can trade whenever you want. Now, there are times that are better, depending on, the country that you want to trade in. But there is trading available all over the world at any given point. It is the most liquid market. We are trading with money, right? How much more liquid can you get with that? And there is a huge potential for gains, and if you do it incorrectly, for huge losses as well. What I want to kind of go over with you over the next few days is hopefully some information that'll help you to not experience too many losses. But I will tell you this, even the best traders are wrong on occasion and do experience losses. So if you do get involved in a losing trade, what you have to do really is you have to learn when to cut it short so that you limit the amount of losses that you have. And really, what our goal is would be in a given period of time during the trading. Maybe today we actually do lose money, but over a period of like a week and then over a period of a month, have we gained more than what we started with? That's really the goal. So you might experience, a loss today. You might trade 3 or 4 times today. One of those might be a loss, but at the end of the day, did you gain more than what you started out with? What I want to talk to you about tomorrow, I hope you'll join me again, is the history of Forex and some of the things that you need to know to get started trading. I'll see you tomorrow.